Hi guys, you're welcome to our channel. We are live in the city of Owerri. I'll be exploring one of the biggest amusement park in the southeast. Yes, I've been hearing about this amusement park, then I decided to visit today since I'm in the city of Owerri. If you're new to our channel, you're welcome to Arlin TV. Kindly do well to click the subscribe button. Also turn on notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we upload new videos. For returning subscribers, thank you very much. We do appreciate your love for the channel. Yes, we are currently inside the amusement park, as you can see, looking all shining and beautiful. You know, we just passed the price list now that shows the prices of everything in this amusement park. You can see this lion, you can see the talking tree, and this roaring lion that looks very scary. This is the downside of the amusement park, still in the building where they have the arcade. You can play some video games for kids, and they have the 3D cinema. They also have the 3D drive, maybe bike or car, as the case may be. So a lot of games is actually inside of this arcade. Yes, before you get into it proper, which we'll be showing you in a jiffy, for you to have some of those scary rides that you usually see on TV or on TikTok or thereabouts. So they are experiencing it live in the city of Owerri. So this is just a 3D drive that guy is enjoying. So we went upstairs as well to explore what they have upstairs. Actually a two-story building, and they tend to also bring a cinema here. It is not yet functional, they are still working on the space. So but up here they have some things like they have a lounge, they have a table tennis court where you can just chill with your guys and play table tennis, and they also have a game room where you can play Xbox, PS5, PS4, yeah, just to chill with your friends, you know. So all of that is available in this amusement park. As like this park is totally jam-packed, you understand. So this is one of the lounge they have. They actually have two lounge in this place. This is one of the lounge where you can chill with your friend, you can club here. That's the DJ spot, you know, with some good lighting system, good space. You know, this is very cool, I must tell you. It's fast becoming the hub for enjoyment as far as Owerri is concerned. The crowd I met here the day I came was quite amazing. I mean, outside, and a lot of them were outside enjoying the scary ride that they have at the park. So they also have a snooker game in one of the lounge, and this is the second lounge, looking all cozy and looking all spacious as well. And they also use it as well for club. So we'll be going downstairs pretty soon to gain access into the park proper. So these are people queued up to make payment to get into the park. The prices are all there, so you are scanned here to ensure you have fulfilled all payment rights before you get into the park. So here we are inside of this park. You can see how big it is, and they have quite a number of stuff for you to do here, you know, quite a number of them. If you are new to our channel and you're still seeing this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you will always know we upload new videos. For returning subscribers, thank you very much, and do not forget to give me your sincere thoughts in the comment section about this park. If you have been here before, or you are based in Owerri and you have not visited this place, also do let us know in the comment section, and also do let us know if you'll be visiting anytime soon. So they have a whole lot of rides here, both for kids and for adults. Just like this, you can see moving, and the kids are waiting to get on it, just waiting for the instructors to come and stop it so they can get on it. And as we move further, you'll be seeing a lot of other rides, and the names are placed there, and the amount also will be sharing with you pretty soon as the video goes on. So the park is quite very big. I've been to Pleasure Park in Portharcourt, but I think Pleasure Park does not really have this kind of activities in them. Pleasure Park is very big as well, have a whole lot of activities, but not this type is not in Pleasure Park. You know, in the southeast, I think this is the first time I'm seeing this kind of activities in a park, and it is amazing that it's situated in Owerri. So you can see that everybody is just there. Look at this scary one. Will you be trying this, or have you tried it before? So this is quite very scary. Like, the people were screaming on this day. Even the other one rolling over there, they were literally screaming as the stuff was going round. And this one goes 360. Your head can even be down. I told them that I can't pay to stay on this shit, but you understand, I can't pay to be there. So a lot of ride. You can see the The sheep as well, the sailors is also there for you to enjoy. And there's another one, just like a coffee chair, where you just stay and it spins you around. Kids loves it a lot. Kids loves it a lot just to enjoy them. So you can see moms and some mom and their children are just there enjoying. And this is a train ride that takes you all down, up, down, up, down, up. So quite interesting. So lovers do this a lot. So there we've got to see a lot of lovers who just get on it and enjoy themselves. And as well, they have a pool, quite a big pool as well for you to chill. And they have instructors on ground who teaches people how to swim and also instruct them how to use the space. Just to mention the payment plan for this place, I know you might be wondering how much does it take to get into this park. To get to this park, from my findings, they say you make a payment of 1,000 to get a card. After the payment, you subscribe for the first time with 4,000, and then you can get to the park and apply for any game you want to play. You just swap your card. So the payment here is done with card. Even at the lounge, everywhere, you have to get the card to be able to make payment around this lounge. But subsequently, you can recharge any amount as you please. But first time subscription is 4,000, then 1,000 naira for the card. So that's total of 5,000 naira that you pay the first time. But subsequently, any amount you like, you can pay up to 15, you can pay 2,000, you can pay 1,000, depending on the ride you want to get on or the activities you want to do within the park. I think it's quite innovative to see that everything around here is being paid for with that card. So quite interesting, just like you paying in advance for what you want to use. That is what it simply means. So even if you don't exhaust your money, you can always come in at that time to use your money. If you are still seeing this video, not yet a subscriber, I don't know what you're waiting for to join our big family. Do well to click the subscribe button to join our big family. For returning subscribers, as always, thank you very, very, very much. Don't fail to give me your thought about this park in the comment section. Like I said before, if you visited, also do let us know in the comment section. For those who are visiting Owerri, this park is located just close to Akachi. It's along Akachi Street actually, so located very close to Akachi. Akachi is a very popular place in Owerri, so most buses, most commercials know the place very well. So this is just a general overview of what the environment looks like around this park, and it's very, very close to Akachi, like I mentioned. Thank you very much for joining us on this beautiful ride on this park. We'll catch you guys in our next video. Bye.